Dear students, welcome to this session. In this video, we are going to discuss all-pass shortest path and Floyd-Warshall algorithm. This is an example for the dynamic programming approach. Okay, so for that we have taken one graph. It is an all-pass shortest path. For each and every pair, it is going to find the shortest path. The Dijkstra algorithm we have discussed. In that what this is a single source shortest path. So we need to give one single source, okay, from a particular node to what all other vertices. What is the shortest path? Like that, what it will find the Dijkstra algorithm. Where the Floyd-Warshall algorithm, it will determine for each and every pair what is the shortest path. That will be what determined. Okay, for example, 2 to 4, what is the shortest path? 5 to 3, what is the shortest path? 3 to 1, what is the shortest path? Like that, what everything will be what determined through this algorithm. So the algorithm is invented by the Floyd and Warshall. Okay, so that the name is what? Floyd and Warshall algorithm. So for that we are not going to represent the graph in the adjacency list. Instead we are going for that adjacency matrices. So the adjacency matrices here usually we are calling here like was a distance matrix D. So distance matrix means what? It is containing the weight of the edges as a value. Okay, so that size is that n by n, where n is the number of vertices. 1 to 1, so what is the cost? Okay, what is the distance? Okay, 1 to 1 there is no edge. Okay, there is no edge means what? There is no edge from a particular node to another node means usually it will be infinity. But 1 to 1 means what? The same node means it will be the 0. Similarly, what 2 to 2 it will be a 0. 3 to 3 it will be a 0. Okay, so if there is no direct edges there between the two nodes, then it will be a infinity. So simply how can fill this distance matrix means 1 to what are the leaving edges? Okay, 1 to 2 3 and 1 to 3 8 and 1 to 4 there is no edge. Okay, and 1 to 5 minus 4 and this 1 to 4 there is no direct edge, so it will infinity. Okay, so like that we have to fill all the things. So 2 to what? Only two leaving edges. Okay, 2 to is what? 2 to 4 and 2 to 5. 2 to 4 is 1, 2 to 4 is 1 and 2 to 5 is, it is not given. Okay, sorry, it is what? 2 to 5 is 7. Okay, 2 to 5 is 7 and no other, all other, that is a 2 to 2 will be that 0. Okay, so 2 to 1 and 3 will be the infinity. So like that we need to fill all these values. So we have filled that remaining values also. So this is the initial distance matrix. Okay, so I equal to j means that will be the 0. If direct edge is present, the cost will be filled. If there is no direct edge means it will be the infinity. That's all. So infinity or 0 or the cost. So that like that you have to fill it. That is a distance matrix. Similarly, we need to what take another matrix called a parent matrix. It is going to what keep that parent of for any two vertices. I to what j. Okay, so if I want to find the shortest path from I to j, okay, who is the immediate parent? Like that it is going to what keep that track of what the parent. Okay, so initially what that I to j, for example 1 to 2 is there, correct? For the 1 to 2, 1 is the parent and 1 to 3 1 is the parent, 1 to 5 1 is the parent. Okay, so 1 to 4 no parent. Okay, 1 to 4 there is no direct edge so far, so it will be filled with what? Nil. Similarly 1 to 1 that also will be filled with what? Nil. Even there is no edge, there is no edge to reach 1 to 1, so there is no parent, so it is also what? Filled with what? Nil. So if I equal to j, then values will be what? Filled with 0. If direct edge is there means that shows edge will be filled here. Okay. Similarly, what 2 2. So wherever that infinity or 0 in that distance matrix, that will be filled with what 0 here. Sorry, nil here. So infinity 0 infinity. So what nil nil and then what nil and 2 to 4. Okay, 2 to 4 and 2 and 2. It means that what? So just to refer this matrix, okay, wherever the 0 or infinity nil, okay, if that value is not an infinity and what it is not an 0, then what it will be filled with that corresponding what row number. That's all, because the row number is the source. Similarly here, how can fill that nil and then this 3 0 nil nil and then what nil. This 4 is neither 0 or nor what infinity, so it will be filled with the column number 3. Similarly for the 4 infinity, so nil nil nil. For this 4 and what 4, for this nil 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 and finally what nil. Here it will be what 5. So like that, what you fill this two matrices. This is the initial matrix. All-pass shortest path Floyd-Warshall algorithm. There are n iterations. N iterations means n is the number of vertices. Here 5 vertices. 5 iterations is going to be done. In each iteration, a new version of what the distance matrix and what the parent matrix will be generated. That new version will be used for the next iteration. So for the iteration number 1, these two matrices will be the input. It will update this matrix. Okay, these two matrices will get what updated. That updated matrices will be used for the next iteration, i.e. k equal to what 2. So k equal to 2, it will use that what the first version of what this matrix. Okay, so k equal to 1 first iteration, d of 1 d of pi of 1 will be generated. Initially d of 0 and what pi of 0, this is the input. So at the end of each iteration, the updated version of d and pi will be used. That will be used for the next iterations. That is the concept. How that matrices is going to be what updated, that is the logic. And finally at the end of that iteration, nth iteration, fifth iteration, we'll get a matrices distance and pi. Okay, from that we can find the shortest distance as well as that corresponding what path. So let us start the iterations. The iteration start from the k equal to what 1. K equal to 1. So this is iteration number 1. So the procedure is as simple. If you clearly understand, if you listen, it will be very simple. K equal to 1 means from these two matrices, based on that distance matrix only, we will do that updation. Okay, so based on the values in the distance matrix, we are going to do that updation. Based on that updation in the distance matrix, the corresponding parent matrix also will get what updated. So that updation in the distance matrix needed or not is depending on some condition. That only we are going to discuss here. So when k equal to 1, we are going to what generate? We are going to generate that is d of what 1, that version. Okay, and then pi of what 1, that two versions, that is that version corresponding what end of that first iteration, d of 1 d of what pi of 1 will be what generated. Okay, so that updation, how we are going to update, the modification is needed, updation is needed or not based on the condition. So k equal to 1, k equal to 1 means in that zeroth matrix, that is a d of 0, k equal to 1 means just consider this first row that is what kth row and what kth column. So this two need to be what considered, kth row and kth column. So now I am going to check for the row by row the changes are needed or not. Okay, row by row we are going to check. So okay, so that is what kth row, okay, and what this is kth column. Okay, like that we have to what choose. So now k equal to 1, by the time we are going to take I equal to what, 1. It means that this is what iteration number, this is the row number, iteration number and row number. So row by row how that modification is going to be done, that we are going to check. So ith row to be what, modified or not. So for that just you write ith row. Okay, so that ith row is what, 0, 3, 8, infinity, minus 4. That need to be what written here, 0, 3, 8, infinity, minus 4. Okay, so this is nothing but what, ith row. Okay, first row. So whether that modification is needed or not, that we are going to what, check. Okay, so from this ith row just you select that kth element, because we are choosing the kth column, correct? Just what you select the kth element. So kth element means what, k is iteration number 1, so 0th element. So that we have to what, choose. Just to select the ith row, that kth element. Okay, so ith row kth element means what, d. Okay, ith row and what, kth element. Okay, like that. And then the corresponding what, kth row just you write here. So kth row is what, this one. Okay, it's the same row, kth row, just you write here. Okay, that is what, 0, 3, 8, infinity, minus 4. So what I have written here is what, the kth row. This is what, kth row. So now what we need to do is, the kth row elements are there, and then here we have selected the kth element. Kth element from what, ith row. We need to what, add this kth element from the ith row with what, each element in the kth row. That is what, this and this need to be added. This and this has to be what, added, and this and this has to be added. Add it. What, add that. Okay. So if I add, you will get a new row. That means that this element need to be added with okay, in the kth row. Okay, and what, jth column, then jth column means what, j equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is ith row. We are going to use the j for the indicating the column. Okay, so what, in the kth row, jth column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So what, this is going to be added with what, d. Okay, kth row and then what, jth column. So what is the new values? That is what, 0, 0. It is what, 0, 0 plus, that is what we need to add. Okay, so all operations are what, add. So we will get a new row, 0, the 0 with what, 3, 3, 0 with 8, 8, 0 with what, infinity, infinity, and minus 4. That we will get. So this is the new row, correct? This is the new row. So now the new row elements, that is the added, this is the new row, okay, new row element, and then the existing ith row element need to be what compared. So what, this and this need to be what compared. Based on that, the new ith row will be what added. Okay, so this is a new row, and then what based on this comparison, the new ith row will be what generated. So ith row means what, this element, that is what ik, that is a 0 plus 0 plus what kj means this one, that we will get. This is going to be compared with the same element ith, that is 0 and 0, 3 and 3, and 8 and 8, infinity. The new row element is suppose less than that existing ith row, there we need that updation. Otherwise we can keep that ith row as it is, ith row elements as it is. So when that ith row element should get modified means only in the situation what, when the new row element is less than that what ith row element. So only you have to check the corresponding elements, corresponding jth element, 0 and what 0, 3 and 3, 8 and 8, like that. Since that ith row and the new row are both are the same, the new element is not less than the existing element, ith row element. So the new ith row also will be what, the same. So what comparison we need to means, the new row element is what, less than that what, the ith row element, like that we have to do the comparison. Okay, so less than this, it means that this is less than that. Okay, that is nothing but ith row jth element. Okay, that means what, dij. Okay, so ith row jth element, if the new added element is less than this means, okay, that is if this condition is true, we need to update that dij. Okay, dij equal to what, that ith element is what, this added element, that is dik plus dkj. Okay, so d of ij will be what, updated with this one. So that what, since if that kth element selected is a 0, so there will be no change, because 0 plus anything means what, no change. So that what, that element, that what row will be what kept as it is. Okay, maintained as it is. That's that what 0 is less than no. Okay, so what, it will be what, as it is 0, 3, 8, infinity and minus 4. So that what, we have just bring that element to here. So this is what, new ith what row. So that need to be what, copied to this what element. Okay, so we got that next version of what, d. Okay, so I need to what, copy this new ith row as what, 0, 3, 8, infinity and minus 4. The changes may be there only if the condition is true, otherwise what, you can write it. Since this is the very first iteration, what I explained in detail by writing the corresponding row. Later on, from the next iteration, by seeing the matrix itself, we can what, directly what, write that resultant matrix. Okay, if the condition is false, that is else, I need to maintain the dij as it is, that is what, dij equal to what, dij, like that. Okay, so one more thing is, that is what, no change. Actually this represent what, no change, otherwise we need to update. So while updating, so what to be updated on what, that corresponding pi matrix, that is what, that updation is depending on the previous value of what, a distance. So now what to be updated in that corresponding means, if no updation means, we can write that old what, that parent as it is. It means that here this is the D of 0 version. Okay, here in this row there is no change, so that what we have written like this. So what the corresponding parent details needs to be what copied as it is. No change means here also the no change. So it means that what, but pi ij also what dij. Okay, so that what that can be what returned as it is here in this case. That is n 1 1 n and then what 1. So what we have written this first row, we have updated the first row, right? So then what about if any changes made on that new row, changes occur, what will be that corresponding what pi value? Okay, so the corresponding ith row value will be what, the summation. Okay, that new row value, that is not a matter. But in that case, if any changes there, that is what, if suppose if this is 8, this is 7, 7 will be copied. So by that time what will be the pi value? Okay, that we need to what write. So in that case, what is the pi ij value? Okay, so that is nothing but what so which one you have added, that is a kth row jth element we have added, correct? Kth row jth element. So that corresponding k j, that need to be what copied to ij. Okay, pi k j. It means that suppose the 0 plus 8 if it is a 7, that corresponding value from that pi need to be what copied. So that you will understand in the next example. Here there is no need of what this statement. Okay, so you will understand this statement in the next updation. Okay, next I equal to what, 2. It means still we are in the same iteration. Okay, but we are going to what update the second row. So what, I equal to 2. So I need to write that ith row now from the D of 0. So in that D of 0, ith row is what, the same 0, 3, 8, infinity and minus 4. Okay, and then we need to what consider the corresponding what, this is ith row, and what kth row we have to take. Sorry, here the ith row is what, infinity 0, infinity 1, 7. That we need to write first. So we need to write that ith row second row, that is what, infinity 0, infinity 1 and 7. And we need to write the kth row. Kth row is the first row, that is what, 0, 3, 8, infinity and then what, minus 4. Now what, I need to pick that value. This is what, ith row. This is what, kth row. I need to pick the kth element from what, the ith row. So this is what, kth element, that we need to pick. So now I need to what, add this element with what, this one. Okay, so what, this infinity need to be what, added with what, all these elements. Okay, so I have to what, add it, so that a new row will be the infinity. So now what, the selected element is what, infinity. So if you are adding that infinity with any element, the result will be that infinity. If you add infinity with any element, the result will be what, infinity. If you add 0 with any element, that element will be the same element. So now what? Here we need to write all this new element, added element is what? Infinity, infinity, infinity. So that is what your new row. That is what added row. Okay. This is not new ith row. The new row will be what? Obtained. So now I need to what? Compare this with what? And these elements. Okay, which is less than or not. The new element is less than this. So infinity, definitely it is not less than what? Any element. So that what? The result is infinity. So that what? There is no change in that ith row. So we can write that ith row as it is. So what? Infinity, 0, infinity, 1 and what? 7. So there is no change, as it is we can write. Okay. So this is what the new ith row. So we can copy that into the second. Okay, so what? No change in that second row. Second row is infinity, 0, infinity, 1, 7. Okay, so infinity, 0, infinity, 1, 7. That, so what? The corresponding what? Pi also no change. So n, 2 and what? 2. Correct. So next to go to that I equal to 3. I equal to 3 means I need to what? Update the third row. I wanted to update the third row. The third row is nothing but what? So infinity, 4, 0 and infinity and infinity. So this is what? Ith row. So this row we have copied. Whether the changes needed or not, we need to decide now. Okay. So next I need to what? Take the kth row. Kth row always what? One first row. That is what? 0, 3, 8, infinity, minus 4. And then I need to what? Consider that corresponding what? Kth element. Okay, kth element. Okay, this is what? Kth row. This is what? Ith row. Okay. And then this needs to be what? Added with what? This one. So plus. So the new value will be what? Since that first element is an infinity, again what? The new value will be what? All will be that infinity. Infinity plus 3, infinity plus 8, infinity minus 4, anything what will be the infinity. So that is what? New row. The new row need to be what? Compared with what? This one. So which comparison means what? The new row is what? Less than, we need that updation. But since it is the infinity, no change in that ith row. So ith row will be what? Copied as it is. That is what? Infinity, 4, 0, infinity and what? Infinity. So that will be what? Copied. So this is the new ith row. Okay. So this value will be obtained by what? Adding it. Like that we got this. Correct. So we can write the third row. We can update the third row here. The third row will be the same as in that previous third row. Infinity, 4. Again what? 0, infinity, infinity. So we have copied as it is. So that what? The corresponding third row in the pi also will get copied. N, 3, N, and then what? N. Like that we can copy it. Now what we need to do is I equal to what? 4.
Next, okay, now you can realize that a change, how that changes is going to be happened. So I need to what, fourth row I need to write. So fourth row is what, 2 infinity minus 5 0 and what, infinity. And ith row we need to, sorry, kth row we need to write 0 3 8 infinity and minus 4. So now I need to what, add that kth element from the ith row with what, kth row elements. So this is kth row, this is ith row, this is what, kth element from the ith row, that need to be what, added with what, all these elements, so that what, the new elements will get, the new elements will be what, 2 plus 0 2 and 2 plus 3 is a 5, 2 plus 8 is a 10, 2 plus infinity is infinity, 2 minus 4 is what, minus 2, 2 minus 4 is what, minus 2. So now what you have to do is, this and this need to be what, compared, okay, with which relation means what, less than relation. So if this is what, less than this, we need to what, compare it, that is a change it. So that is a new row, okay. So as per the condition, what, if any of this element, added element, is less than that existing element, that element need to be copied with that value, that corresponding parent will be replaced with what, kj, okay. So what is kj, that I will tell you. So what, here now come to that elements in the new ith row. So I need to compare this 2 and 2. This 2 is less than this, not less than, equal only. So no change. Even if it is equal means no need to change it. Ith row will be maintained. So what, 2 and then 5 infinity. 5 is the less. So what, I need to what, update this element with what, 5. So now the infinity is changed to what, 5. So the changes occurred here. Okay. The next what, 10 minus 5. So minus 5 is less. Okay, so no need to change. It will be what, kept as it is. And infinity 0. 0 is less. So no need any change. And then infinity minus 2. Minus 2 is what, less. So we have that updation. So what, that minus 2 is, this element is get what, updated. This and this get element will get what, updated. So this is what, new ith row. So now I need to make these corresponding changes. Okay. So new ith row will be, so new ith row will be what, so we can write these 2 and what, 5, okay, 2 5 minus 5 and then what, 0 and minus 2, correct. So what is the thing is, that change is made at what, this element and this element, okay. So for remaining 3 elements there is no change. So what, the remaining 3 elements value will be copied as it is from what, this previous pi. So 3 elements means what, the 4 will be copied as it is, this 4 will be copied as it is, this n will be copied as it is. Now these 2 values need to be what, updated. So what is the new value here and what is the new value here, okay. So what actually we have done is, we have added the 2, that is here, 2 with what, 0. So how we have modified means, 2 with this kth row and kth column element, 2 with 0, 2 with 3 and 2 with 8 and 2 with infinity, 2 with minus 4, like that we have compared. So this element is getting changed by what, adding the 2 with what, a 3. So 2 with what? The 3. That corresponding what? Pi value has to be what copied. So 2 with 3 means in this position what the pi value, parent value. What is the parent value? 1. So that 1 need to be what copied here. Okay. Similarly, the change made on this last position also infinity. This obtained by what? Adding the 2 with what? Minus 4. That is a minus 2. So what is the corresponding here? Position in that pi is what? 1. So that need to be what copied here. So that one need to be what copied here. Okay. So what we have obtained that fourth row also. So one more row is that is a fifth row. Come to what? I equal to what? 5. Okay. So 5 means fifth row need to be returned. Okay. That is what? Infinity, 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 and 6, 0. Okay. And kth row will be the same, 0, 3, 8, infinity, minus 4. So now I need to select the kth element from the ith row. So this is that element. Okay. Ith row. This is what? Kth row. And the kth element that need to be what? Added. Okay, like that we need to add. So that what? We will get the result as infinity. Infinity means what? No change usually. Okay, because infinity plus anything is what? Infinity only. So since that new element is a infinity, there is no change in that ith row. Okay. So if the selected element is that infinity, kth element, then the result will be what? The same. So we can write as it is what? Infinity. That is whatever that the existing ith row that need to be copied. Infinity, infinity, 6, and then what? 0. So that existing what? Ith row will be copied as what? A new ith row. So no change in that new ith row. So what? We have to what? This copy that existing as it is, that is what? Infinity, 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 and 6, 0, and here what? N, N, and N, and 5, N, like that. So okay. So at the end of that first iteration, this is the result. At the end of that first iteration, this is the result. Now we need to what? Continue this for what? K equal to 2, K equal to 3, K equal to what? 4, and K equal to 5. Okay.